Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk how you will introduce yourself. আজকে আমরা জানবো আমরা নিজের পরিচয় অন্য কারো কাছে কিভাবে দিব. A lot of time we can see people get nervous or they can't understand what they have to say when someone asks them to tell something about yourself, giving introduction. অনেক সময় আমরা দেখি যে যখন কাউকে জিজ্ঞাসা করা হয় যে নিজের সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলো, তারা তখন বুঝতে পারে না যে কি বলবে. So আজকে আমরা এটা নিয়ে কথা বলবো. Hi, I am Musfeka Hassan. Currently, I am working as a teacher in a school, and besides that, I am also pursuing my master's. I like to travel, read books, watch movies, and also I like to do window shopping and spend time with my mother. I have passion towards gardening, and I also like to plant flowers and vegetables. In this way, you can say 1 to 3 lines about yourself when you are being asked.
Thanks for watching.